Looking north at the County Home Cemetery in Sigourney, Iowa. And looking west towards Sigourney. Looking south. Looking east. And back north again. That's what the stones look like. About 8 inches across, about 1.5 inches thick.